I'm going to be talking really low because it's 11:16 p.m. and everyone is sleeping in my house. So I hope that you can hear me. But I just had to record this here because I just got home and I'm looking at this price action on the weekly, and something about it is just making it feel to me that XRP is about to pop. And it's just a matter of moments. I really have been feeling that way. And what I wanted to point you to the charts as to what's kind of like making me feel like, what if this $2.33 area is actually our support area for this candle? This is our weekly candle. So what if this week we pop back higher to the highs? What are we going to do this week? What could this candle possibly do? So far, this is bullish, right? We've been very bullish since 2024 November. We saw this huge pump here. Retracement from the 9th of December to the 23rd into this weekly bullish for value gap. And then we got another expansion of 4 candles. And why only 4 candles till the 20th of January? Well, maybe because they needed a retracement, right? This was only to take out this previous high that we had here at 289. Now, I'm on the Coinbase, so you're not going to see previous data. However, if I were to switch, you would see the previous highs that we have for XRP is $3.55, and we've only reached the highs of $3.39. So I barely made it to the top. Probably because at these highs, a lot of people are probably afraid of buying, right? So we've been having these cycles. Imagine being a buyer at this point. It's crazy. Anyway. Yeah. Anyway, so March, December. So what I was looking at here is just the differences in the years. So hold on. Let's see. So what I thought was interesting about this cycle was that we got real close to the highs here, but didn't actually blow it. This previous cycle, as you guys can see, we tapped that previous OP and went lower. This one already completely disrespected this cycle's order block. Let's go to daily. Now, those are the previous highs, obviously. Let's see a little up close. So I had marked up, let's just put it here so that this is the high. Let's mark it there. I'll actually make it so that I know which level is which. And this is the high. And this is the last up candle's wicks high, which is not showing on the weekly. Oh, this is that level that we're in. So we took the bullish levels high, but failed to take the wick of the bearish candle that took this highs. This candle's high. So this was left wide open. Now, smaller time frame obviously looks like we're consolidating in here. It's the range that we're in. So as you guys can see, we traded lower. We've been trading lower after waiting the bullish candles wicks high, but as you guys can see, we failed to get to the 25% level of that PD array, and that's why price wanted to come lower. So, or at least that's what I believe. So, from here, price kind of started trading lower, created that monthly high from the 16th of January. That was the highest high we had then. And then once we gave up the ghost here, which is a daily fair value gap, obviously, once we traded back into it, it was used as resistance. Well, it's not better than inverse fair value gap because it's a predictions fair value gap. Well, let's just make it red, to be honest. So, how much? I mean, it's a 4 hour, so it would be a lot of pips. You would obviously have to go into a smaller time frame. You can't just put it like that and say you're going to take that trade. Unless you have a lot of capital to blow. We don't do that here. So, we'll go to 30-minute. That's the red zone that we had. And then from there, this might be able to clear it up for us. So we would have a high. And, I mean, let's be real, that would be the best entry. Even then, it's still a lot of points, but it's XRP too, so. Anyways, yeah. Over 4,000 points from that entry in a 30-minute, which is interesting. Anyways. So we have been building and consolidating over here. As you guys can see, that was that bullish fair value gap level. Oh, not bullish fair value gap. Oh yeah, bullish fair value gap that got traded through. And we've been using for resistance since. Every time the price taps here, it's just push lower. So yeah, we just want to see how price is going to react here. Obviously, I'm watching this long zone, and you guys can see we're inside of that area, which is a bearish area right now. Probably why price is having such a hard time going higher from here. But as you guys can see, we are disrespecting it, so there's no point in trading it right now. It's not respecting any PDO rate, it's just consolidating from that point on, which is, I'm going to go back to the other one because I don't have my markups. The blue level is our weekly breaker block. This dashed level, black dashed level, is our 50% of our breaker block, our consequent encroachment. So what I'm thinking is, if XRP keeps pumping like this, maybe we can see $3 plus XRP by the end of this month. Imagine. The only thing that psychs me out about this is the fact that we are in a consolidation. So we won't know until we break out of it. And I don't know if it's going to peak out of it to come lower, or if sometime this week we're going to give up the ghost and come lower to scare all the people who have been buying XRP right now. I've been seeing a lot of people putting that they hold XRP, and they bought, their average buying price is $2.45. So imagine how many people are buying right now, and it's what's creating this confusion. As you guys can see, bearish level, price traded to it to go lower, but notice how it didn't really respect 50% too much, and we only traded lower a little bit and then pumped higher. So what I want to see here, I want to see what we're going to do. From what I'm seeing right now, to be quite honest, if I had to follow the pattern, I think this is gonna come lower. Like, let's just do this real quick. Let's do the crypto count. And as you guys can see, just took hits on that one. That's okay, we're not really going for anything here. Let's just see if price. I'm trying to test out a theory. I want to see if price is gonna respect it. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But $2.33. It's looking extremely bullish. So maybe we just get a live retreat here and push higher, or price is just really going lower to manipulate lower rather than go higher. Those are the two theories I have. We'll see what happens, but that's what I'll be watching for. Take care.